Howdy, howdy, howdy. I am Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 1976 installation, Sun Tunnels, by the artist Nancy Holt. Holt was born in Worcester, Massachusetts, United States, in 1938. Sun Tunnels is an important piece of the land art movement. The work is comprised of 4 hollow concrete cylinders that have holes on their sides that form different constellations. The tunnels frame different perspectives of the Utah landscape to, as Holt puts it, bring the vast space of the desert back to human scale. This work inspires me to think about leveraging natural phenomena as a strategy in my own work. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.